All right, shalom, shalom. First and foremost, I want to give all praises to Yahweh, Bahashim Yahushai, Bahashim Makakwadash. Double honors to our apostles and elders of Great Millstone. Peace and salutations to all our Akim that is doing the work in sincerity and charity with humiliation all across the four winds. To you I salute. This is the brother Karatazar from the GMS Bahamas camp, back at you with another lesson. All right, but let me say this first. Yahweh Shai is on his way. Yahweh Shai is on his way back, Akim. You know, he's real close to coming. All right. He gave us signs to look for, and he gave us signs to look in the heavens at, and we're going to be doing just that. All right. I have this article here, that goes into the constellations, once I done read this, I'll bring out one or two precepts and then get out of here. All right. This is an article from CNN, that was posted yesterday. All right, April 29th. Okay, it reads, what the Venus-Jupiter conjunction this weekend? It says Venus and Jupiter will appear to touch each other in the sky at the end of the month, despite actually being millions of miles apart. All right, the two planets will appear closest together around 3 p.m. on April 30th, with Venus being 0.2 degrees south of Jupiter according to Earth's sky. The distance is less than the diameter of the moon. The space site added says by May 1st, the planet will have continued on their path and look as if they are spreading further apart from Earth vantage point. All right. Yeah. It says appeared significantly closer than they usually do, said Patrick. Patrick Halligan. All right, Hardigan Salakia, professor of physics and astronomy at Rice University in Houston. A conjunction is when two planets appear to touch each other in the sky from Earth point of view, according to NASA. The last time the two planets were closer than this year's conjunction was August 2016. Although it was more difficult to see, they were close to the sun, according to Hardigan. In the nights leading up to the conjunction, the moon will slowly become less visible as it transitions to a new moon on April 30th. All right, which we have the new moon coming in. The Sabbath is coming in. That's right. It says according to NASA. It says, although the conjunction takes place at the end of the month, viewers can already see the two planets slowly creeping toward each other. On April 27, they will be 3.2 degrees apart, Earth sky said. Mars and Saturn will roughly align north of Venus and Jupiter according to Earth sky, meaning astronomers will be able to see four planets while viewing the conjunction. Alignment means that planets form a line between them, but do not appear significantly close to each other like a conjunction. All right, it says Venus and Jupiter are typically the two brightest planets in the sky, so they can put on quite a show when they are in close conjunction. It is a beautiful sight and easy for everyone to see, Hardigan says. All right, so around 3 o'clock this afternoon, you could go ahead and look in the sky, and you will see Venus and Jupiter, according to, Earth sky. All right, let me read this. It says, in the northern hemisphere, viewers should look along the southeastern horizon just as dawn began to break, but while it's still dark enough to see some of the stars, Hardigan said, stargazers in the southern hemisphere will also be able to see the conjunction under the same condition, except Venus and Jupiter will appear above the eastern horizon, Earth sky said. Unlike the northern hemisphere, Venus will appear above Jupiter on April 30th and below Jupiter on May 1st. In the southern hemisphere, according to Harrigan, the sky that is along that long as the sky clear, as long as the sky is clear, since the inclement weather would block the conjunction from view. All right. So yeah, man. Yahweh Shai is back on his way. And these are signs. Venus. And Jupiter will appear to touch each other in the sky. All right, but let's get some precept here. All right, let's get some precept here. Let's go to Joel chapter 2, 27. Right, Joel 2 and 28. And it shall come to pass afterward that I will pour my spirit upon all flesh, and your sons and your daughters shall prophesy, and your old men shall dream, your young men shall see visions. All right, and also upon the servants and upon the handmaids in those days I will pour out my spirit. All right, this is the point here, verse 30. It says, and I will shew wonders in the heavens and in the earth, blood, fire, and pillars of smoke. And the sun shall be turned into darkness, and the moon into blood, before the great and terrible day of the Lord come. But it says here that he was going to show wonders in the heavens. And that's exactly what this article is speaking about. Wonders in the heavens. So Lord willing, this was edifying. Shalom.